Ready to fuel your crypto journey? This quick guide shows you how to deposit funds into your Blofin account, hassle-free. First, head over to Blofin's website or open the app and log into your account using your email and password. Make sure you're on the official Blofin site to avoid phishing scams. Once you're in, navigate to your account dashboard. Look for the deposit button €. It's usually prominently displayed. Click on it to start the deposit process. Now, choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Blofin supports a variety of popular coins. Select your preferred crypto from the drop-down menu. A unique deposit address and a QR code will be generated. This is your personal Blofin deposit address for the chosen cryptocurrency. Double-check that the address is correct, or simply scan the QR code with your wallet app for easy transfer. Open your external wallet or exchange where you hold your crypto. Initiate a withdrawal or send transaction to the address provided by Blofin. Always confirm the address and network before confirming the transfer. After sending your crypto, head back to Blofin and check your transaction history. Your deposit will initially show as pending. The confirmation time varies depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion. Once confirmed, the funds will be credited to your Blofin wallet and you're all set to start trading. Enjoy.